Supercomputer is a very powerful and fast computer designed to perform complex and large-scale calculations much faster than regular computers. It is used for tasks that require enormous processing power, such as weather forecasting, scientific research, for example, space exploration, physics simulations, nuclear simulations, cryptography, artificial intelligence training. Key features of a supercomputer: thousands or even millions of processors. High processing speed, measured in FLOPS, floating point operations per second. Large memory and storage capacity. Parallel processing, can work on many tasks at the same time. Supercomputers are used for a wide range of computationally intensive tasks in various fields, including scientific research, simulating physical phenomena, climate modeling, and molecular dynamics. Weather forecasting, simulating atmospheric processes to predict weather conditions and long-term climate trends. Engineering, computational fluid dynamics, CFD, for designing aerodynamic structures and optimizing combustion processes. A mainframe computer is a high-performance computer designed for handling large-scale, critical computing tasks, often serving as the central hub for an organization's operations. While not as fast as a supercomputer in terms of raw floating-point calculations, mainframes are built for a different purpose: throughput computing. This means they excel at processing massive volumes of data and handling a large number of simultaneous transactions and I/O, input-output operations. The term mainframe originally referred to the large cabinet, or mainframe, that housed the central processing unit and main memory of early computers. Today, mainframes are more compact but still possess a reputation for exceptional reliability, availability, and serviceability (RS). Reliability and uptime. Mainframes are designed with redundant components and fault-tolerant architectures, ensuring they can operate continuously for years without failure. This 5 nines, 99.999%. Availability is crucial for mission-critical applications where downtime is costly or catastrophic. Security. Mainframes are known for their robust security features, including advanced encryption and access controls, which are essential for protecting sensitive data. Legacy and modern applications. Many mainframes still run older, critical business applications, but they have also evolved to support modern workloads like cloud computing, big data analytics, and artificial intelligence. Fugaku is a powerful supercomputer located at the Riken Center for Computational Science in Kobe, Japan. It was a collaboration between Riken and Fujitsu and was developed as the successor to the K-computer. Named after an alternative name for Mount Fuji, Fugaku was designed to be highly versatile and to address a wide range of social and scientific challenges. High-performance computing (HPC). It has previously been ranked as the fastest supercomputer in the world on the top 500 list, with a peak performance of over 537 petaflops, 5.371017 floating-point operations per second. While newer systems have since surpassed its TOP 500 ranking, it continues to perform exceptionally well on other benchmarks. Fugaku is used for a variety of critical research and applications, including COVID-19 research. It was used to simulate the spread of respiratory droplets, model the effectiveness of masks, and help in the search for potential drug treatments. Disaster prevention. It's being used to improve the accuracy of weather forecasting, including the prediction of linear precipitation zones that can cause torrential rainfall, and to simulate the impact of earthquakes and tsunamis. Drug discovery and medicine. Fugaku helps in computational biology and drug discovery, from modeling protein structures to personalizing medicine. Engineering and scientific research. It's also used for a wide range of scientific simulations, such as analyzing the aerodynamics of a baseball pitch and other computationally intensive engineering and scientific problems. Deep Blue was a supercomputer developed by IBM specifically to play chess. It's most famous for its two-match series against Garry Kasparov, the reigning world chess champion at the time. The match with Kasparov. In 1996, Deep Blue played a 6-game match against Kasparov and lost. IBM then upgraded the system, and in a highly anticipated rematch in 1997, the improved Deep Blue defeated Kasparov with a score of 3.5 to 2.5. This victory marked the first time a computer had beaten a reigning world champion in a classic. Chess match under standard tournament time controls. A workstation computer is a high-performance computer designed for a single user to handle demanding professional tasks. While it may look like a standard desktop PC, it is built with specialized, high-end components to deliver superior performance, reliability, and accuracy for specific resource-intensive workflows. What is a mini-computer? A mini-computer is a mid-sized computer that is more powerful than a personal computer but less powerful than a mainframe or supercomputer. It was designed to handle tasks for multiple users at once, often in businesses, research labs, or departments within large organizations. What is a desktop computer? A desktop computer is a personal computer designed to stay on a desk and be used in one location. It usually includes separate parts such as monitor, screen, system unit, CPU, motherboard, etc., keyboard, mouse. Speakers optional. Key features of a desktop computer. Powerful performance, compared to laptops at the same price. Upgradable, you can change parts like RAM, hard drive, graphics card, etc. Used for office work, school tasks, internet browsing, gaming. Video editing.